Let's sing a song, Ari.
Hey, what are you doing to your head?
Look, Ari, what song you want to sing? Let's sing. What's it called? What was we just singing? How's it start again? Oh yeah. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess we made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they fall when I'm thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do ya?
I did nothing but ahead. Yes, we've been thinking about forever. Ooh.
Do you not
Think so far ahead.
'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you. Girl, let me tell you what I got my mister. A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Yeah, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the club. What's up? I had to get cute today. Apple water drinks for a boost today. Come. He was shoot today.
Got the check yesterday.
Girl, did you get the glue today? Gon' beef it up. Move. It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. You piercing. Brand new tat. It's dollars for this week. Plus tax. This ain't gonna watch smack the thong. Look at your titties showing. Cover that up, girl. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.